Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today, in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, fresher job openings. If you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience in these domains, or if you're a person who is ready to switch your career or who is ready to start your career into these domains, okay, you can blindly apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now. And moreover, you may be from the Devops, SRE, not a problem. You can also apply to this job openings. And you may be from the any branches, guys. You may be civil, mechanical, IT, or you may be from the any backgrounds, education backgrounds, like you may be from the BSc or BCom, MCom, diploma, hotel management. You may be from the any backgrounds. You can blindly apply to this job openings and get your job. Okay. So without wasting much time, I'm telling you once again, everyone, you may be from the any batches also. 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 batches also apply. Not a problem. You can easily apply to the job openings. And moreover, if you're a person who is ready to switch your career from one domain to other domains, like AWS domains, or into the Go Cloud, or into the Azure Cloud, or you may be into the DevOps, not a problem. You can apply. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's directly get into the job opening. Here, the first job opening comes from the company called Aquinox. The company name itself is Aquinox. Okay. As you can see, they have clearly mentioned this is a full-time job opportunity. Moreover, this is remote job, and the position they are hiring is DevOps trainee. Okay. The first position they are hiring is DevOps trainee. Look at this. They have posted this job opportunity on the 17th of January 2024. And you may be from the any locations, guys. You may be from the Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi. Not a problem. If you are looking for a remote job opportunities, or if you're looking for work from home job opportunities, that too mainly in the AWS or DevOps, this is golden opportunity. I'm telling you, please don't miss it. Okay, this is not a internship, and moreover, this is a complete fresher job opening. Okay, they have clearly mentioned DevOps trainee. Trainee means it's completely for the fresher. Okay, so here it's a complete remote job, telling everyone to please utilize. Okay, here I'm going to read the first job skills. Okay, here they have mentioned Linux server administration. You should be having a knowledge on the Linux. That is very good knowledge of Linux is required. The next is CI/CD tools they have mentioned is Jenkins as well as a GitHub Actions. If you know at least one Jenkins, or if you don't know Jenkins, if you know only GitHub Actions, not a problem, you can apply. And here they have mentioned the configuration management tool as a Ansible. Okay, you should know about the Ansible, how to work on the Ansible, and Ansible roles, tasks, everything you should know. Infrastructure as a code as a Terraform. You should know be as a tool. It is a Terraform they have mentioned. And cloud provider is your choice. They have mentioned AWS, Azure, GCP. If you are good at least one, it may be the AWS, it may be the Azure, GCP. Not a problem. You can apply. Next is you should know about at least little bit of Bash or Python scripting. Okay. So remember this point. They have clearly mentioned the tools and technologies which they are expecting from you. So please try to mention this in your resume and try to apply. Here they also mentioned good hands-on experience in Linux system administration. As I've already told you, you should have the knowledge of the Linux and Terraform as well as clone. So like this, they have mentioned about the databases, Docker and Kubernetes, and they also mentioned about the Git, and they also mentioned about the shell scripting and monitoring tools. Everything they have mentioned. Okay, so please read this and try to apply. Okay, mentioning these skills is very important. See, these are basics and preferred skills which they have mentioned here. So please at least try to mention, and don't get confused by looking at this. Experience working means here this position is mainly for the fresher, but if you have previously done internship, or if you have worked on some organizations for 3 months, 6 months, you can apply. So try to mention this and apply. Here I'm interested is there, so just click on this. Okay, the link is going to open. You need to send your resume to this job ID. Okay, so this was the first job opportunity for you guys. Now the next one, the second one comes from the LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, okay, there is a one company, Cloud Control. Okay, here the company is from the Kerala, and as you can see, the position they are hiring is Cloud DevOps Engineer. This is completely for the fresher. Okay, remember the point. It's completely for the fresher, guys. Okay, here they have mentioned this skills, version control, that is Git and GitHub. You should know it. Continuous integration, continuous deployment. You should know about at least Jenkins or a GitHub. It's your choice. Containers, that is Docker, Kubernetes, they have mentioned cloud computing, cloud migration. You should know about the cloud, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, GCP, not a problem. You can apply. Okay, And they also mention automation, that is bash scripting or Python scripting, monitoring and support. You should know about Grafana, Prometheus, Loki, everything, etc. Okay. So here they have clearly mentioned what they are expecting from you. This is completely for the freshers. They haven't mentioned anything, any working experience, prior working experience. Okay. If you're a fresher, please apply. Look at this. BTech graduates with sound programming. If you're having knowledge on programming, Windows, Linux, Python, logical skills may apply. Okay. So you may be from the any degree, guys. You may be from the any batches, not a problem. If you have just completed a degree and if you're mainly from the BTech graduates, you are highly preferred for this job opportunity. And I'm telling once again, it's a job opportunity, not an internship. So you can apply from here, easy apply, or else here she has given her email ID. Look at this, rrameshan at ecloudcontrol.com. So they have clearly mentioned the email ID also. You can just send here, and you can also send your resume to this email ID. This is a golden opportunity for the cloud freshers. So please utilize it. Okay. So this was the second job opportunity for you guys. Now we'll get into the third one. Okay. The third one is also from the LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, there is a one HR. Okay, she is mainly hiring for, her name is Shweta Sharma. She is mainly hiring for the Devops engineer, and she is hiring the person who is having at least 6 months of experience or 1 year. If you are a person having 3 months internship experience, 6 months internship experience, not a problem. You can apply to this job opportunity. Here she has clearly mentioned looking for people having 6 to 1 year of experience in DevOps tools like Ansible, Docker, GitLab, Terraform, Python scripting, Linux. Okay, if you are having knowledge on these skills, okay, Ansible, Docker, GitLab, Terraform, Python, and as well as Linux. These are very common basic skill, tools and technologies from the DevOps she has mentioned. So please utilize this opportunity. And she has mentioned the job location is at Bengaluru. So how you need to apply for this job opportunities? She has given the link here. Please apply at, okay. So if you click on this link, you are going to be open a form like this. Look at this. I've already opened. This is a tally form. Okay. So you need to mention your name, email address, mobile address, and once after clicking this, it will be asking your every details. You need to fill this and you need to send your resume. Okay. So this was a third job opportunity for you guys. Now one more important thing, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and watch this video completely till the end. Okay. And if you want all the job opening links which I've already shown you now, okay, you can just send me a message at this Instagram handle Vishwa Karkalle. Okay, you just need to first send a invitation. Okay, once after invitation, you can directly send me message Vishwa Karkalle at Instagram. Okay, so this is my Instagram handle. And see, if you message me like this, look at this. This guy has mentioned very good AWS and jobs freshers. He has clearly mentioned what he need. So I have sent him links. I'll be sending you all the links completely free without taking single money from you. I'm telling you once again, I will be not taking single money. Okay, you just need to send your message. So this was the very important thing. So if you haven't still subscribed, please subscribe. Okay. Now we'll directly get into the fourth job opportunity. Okay. The fourth one is also from the LinkedIn. There is one person. Okay. He is from the Indmoney company. The company means itself is Indmoney, and his name is Harsha. He is hiring for the position of DevOps as well as a platform. Okay. Look at this. He is mainly hiring for the talented DevOps engineer. He may be the junior, fresher, or if you're having a experience, not a problem. You can apply. Here he has mentioned the role is DevOps engineer for 3 years, and also he has mentioned the DevOps intern 0 to 1 years of experience. Okay, and the skills which he is expecting from you. The right applicant will have prior experience with AWS, ECS, EKS, managing Python, Go services, Terraform, sound programming skills. So here he has clearly mentioned you should be good at AWS cloud, ECS you should know, EKS you should know, and you should be knowing the Python very little, okay? And or if you know Go services also not a problem, and you should be knowing Terraform, and it may be any programming skills also required. Any experience with hybrid cloud and modern technologies like Kong, Loki, Kafka is bonus. It's for the experience. Freshers don't need this. Okay. So how we need to apply for this job opportunities? Just he has mentioned one HR profile, right? You need to contact her, Varsha Singh. Okay. You need to just DM your resume to her. Okay. She is going to respond you back if your resume is shortlisted. So this was the fourth job opportunity for you guys. Okay, these are the job opportunities which I wanted to show you for the today's guys. If you are looking for any other job openings in any other domains, it may be in the Java, help me with the programming, any guys, not a problem. You can mention me in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings for you guys. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.